This is my daily morning dress gown for sleeping and waking up.
Living on the fields, keep on watching
The shoulder. And then after that our lady. The neck.
They were terrified, but the angel said to them,
Drawing the neckline. This is the neckline. And this is the middle. So one side, and when I lay it on the table, I can cut the other side too. So let's see. Yes. So this is for the neck. So I'm going to sew this edge here like this to close it up.
For I am gentle and humble in heart. For my yoke is easy and my burden is
I'll do some.
So I said to you, don't be afraid. I bring you good news. Don't be afraid.
Please. Going to fold it. Fold it. Fold it.
For he is the image of the invisible God, the first one over all creator creation. By him all things were created, things in heaven and things in earth. God. Visible to some, invisible to others. The weather, the power of our word, God.
Little closer.
The beginning
So let me do it running.
He is God.
Okay.
None beside him, none above him. Here we go to wake you up in the morning. You know who's gonna make sure that you don't go astray.
Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest for your soul.
So I want to have a sleeve. I have to do it this way.
Take my yoke upon you.
I just came down here, nothing here, like the length of it.
For my yoke is easy and my burden is light. So I said to you, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid.
Don't be afraid.
Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid.
Firm in
Don't be afraid.
they stitch it, but I am leaving it this way.
All about God.
Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid.
Check it out.
They were shepherds living on the fields. Keep on watching their flocks at night. An angel of the Lord appeared to them. Glory of the Lord surround.
Makes me feel so good.
They were terrified,
Hey,
but the angel said to them,
Ooh, yeah.
don't be afraid. I bring you good news of the great joy. That before all the people, so don't be afraid. So I said to you, don't be afraid. I bring you good news. Don't be afraid. Of great joy. Don't be afraid. That will be for you. Don't be afraid. And all the people. Don't be afraid. Glory be to God. Don't be afraid. In the highest. Don't be afraid. Peace and love. Don't be afraid. Peace to mankind. Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest for your soul.
oh, you know that.
Ooh, yeah.
Take my yoke upon you and learn from me. Yeah, for I am gentle and humble in heart. For my yoke is easy and my burden is light. So I said to you, don't be afraid. I bring you good news. Don't be afraid. Of great joy. Don't be afraid. That will be for you. Don't be afraid. And all the people. Don't be afraid. Glory be to God. Don't be afraid. In the highest. Don't be afraid. Peace and love.